This may be grey Manchester, but I want you to think of this wall as sunny Spain. Now, in order to make this sunny Spain, we need to create some dappled sunlight. So let's make our own here. Come and have a look at this. In the TV industry, we use what's called dingle, and dingle is a bit of weed or bush, okay? We're going to take this to a lighting stand, and we're going to put a speed light through this to create a nice dappled shadow on that wall there. And then we'll create a portrait in the shadow, and it'll look like we're in Spain. Let's make it happen. So we need to start with a bit of gaffer tape. And we'll put this on about here. Take that onto there, straight onto the lighting stand. Right, so there's our dingle. Okay, we need to set that in position, somewhere about here I would have thought. Hoik it up in the air. We want our sunlight to be coming relatively low angle, but that'll be fine there. We're going to put our sun, which is a 580 EX2, park it on here. Now, obviously we need this to point through there, but we also need to see the sensor from the camera position, which I think is going to be about here. So let's point the sensor there, rotate this round, and have that going straight through the dingle. That's looking good. Now, once I'm in this height, I can just check the settings. It's zoomed right in, which is fine, okay? It's just going to create a pool of light on that wall there. It's on Slave, Group A, Channel 4, which is perfect for us. Okay, let's make this happen here. So let's get that up there. Tuck that into there. Well, I've got the light, that flash looking quite low there, so I'm just going to drop this into shape here. Let's pull that back a little bit. The further you've got the flash from the subject, the harder the shadow is going to be. So let's just see where we go from there. I think that will look quite nice. Now, I'm just going to take a quick shot of the wall itself, so I've got an idea on the back of the camera what to expect. The camera's on f10. We're on ISO 200 at 200th of a second. f10, well, that's just where it happens to be. Let's give this a go. Focus, frame, shoot. Look at that. Okay, so what we've got here, okay, we've shot off there a little bit, but I'm not too concerned about that. We've got a pool of light with a few blotches. Now we need to probably juggle these blotches around until we get a nice area to put Laura's face, and I think we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to just tweak that a little bit here, maybe stand in and look back to the light. Oh, I can see it. I can open it up a little bit, and it'll look good, just about here. Just if I open that there, I think that's going to look good just there. Okay, Laura, do you want to come in? Let's have you just here, just somewhere about here. That'll do fine. Just relax into that. Okay, gorgeous. Okay, imagine Spain, heat, hot, sunny, and just, that's lovely. Let's give this a go. Ooh, take a look at this. Right, the first frame, I'd say we've got the dingles all at the top of the frame, and we could have some more dingle here lower down, but I'm just going to work at the top half and maybe just make a tighter sort of beauty shot and see how we go. I think it all could do with being lifted up just that little bit more. So I'm going to put some plus compensation in here on the flash. So I'm going +1 stop on the flash. Just roll your shoulders back a bit, that's it, lovely. It makes you look cold otherwise. Gorgeous, now that is looking fantastic. I love that. Now you bring your hands up onto your collar, both sides. Just look in there, beautiful. Okay, a little cheeky lip, I love that. Oh, that looks fantastic. Look at that. Come and have a look at this. Look at that. That's grey dull Manchester at its best.
With good technique and a bit of imagination, you can make a single light portrait anywhere.